Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this pressure bleeder kit made by Schwaben from ECS Tuning. A link to this product will be included in the description below. This system has a 3-liter capacity. While I have been using it for my brake projects only, as shown in some of my previous videos, such as how to flush a brake fluid system and how to replace the drum brake wheel cylinders on a Toyota Tacoma, it can be used to fill other fluids, such as for the transmission, transfer case, and differential. Included in this kit is a pressure tank that has a built-in hand pump, gauge to monitor the pressure, and a pressure relief valve. Next we have a supply line that has a threaded fitting on the one side connecting to the pressure tank, and on the opposite side it has a quick disconnect with a quarter-turn valve to various attachments included in the kit. Next is the various fittings, which I'll show you in a moment. Here's a generic master cylinder cap. This has a rubber seal which clamps around the opening of the reservoir. And this is a master cylinder reservoir cap used for European vehicles, which tends to have a generic size and thread type. To provide you with a quick demonstration of how this system works, this system is extremely easy to fill, and this is the same procedure used regardless of what fluid you're filling it with. Remove the orange cap with a pressure relief valve. If you're working with a brake system, make sure there is enough fluid in the tank, as you don't want to introduce air into the system. Install whichever cap is required for your vehicle. The European style M45 cap is quite straightforward. The other generic style cap is also very easy to install. This does require the chain to be pulled around the bottom of the master cylinder to clamp it on the opening. Install the J hook. Clip it on the chain, and then tighten down. Screw the supply line onto the tank, and then clip the quick disconnect onto the cap. The design of this system, once pumped up, allows you to centralize a leak between the tank and the valve using the shutoff valve. After the valve has been opened, then a leak can be determined after the valve. This is done by monitoring the gauge for a constant pressure drop. Pump the system up to the desired PSI rating, and then bleed the system. The gauge makes the system easier to monitor, and once done, the system pressure is bled when activating the relief valve. Now moving on to the various attachments outside of the braking system. This kit also includes 8 types of adapters that are commonly found on Ford, BMW, VW, Porsche, Mini, Audi, and Mercedes vehicles. And to increase the organization, there is a Velcro strap that can be wrapped around the tank and hold each one of these fittings. If you do visit the product page on ECS Tuning's website, you'll see a full application list for this bleeder kit. While I haven't used it to fill differential, transmission, or transfer case fluids, the exact same process applies just like filling your brake system. This keeps the fluid filling process clean, no need for any helping hands, and makes your work very efficient. Cleaning the tank is also very easy. Soap and water or denatured alcohol can be used to clean the tank and lines, and this should be done regardless of what system you're working with, so you don't cross-contaminate fluids. Overall, I'm extremely happy with the quality of this kit, along with its application to a wide variety of areas, so I no longer need any specialty equipment for each task. This is an affordable kit which is great for weekend warriors and has the quality to back it up for professionals in the field as well. Have you purchased this product in the past? Be sure to share your experience in the comments below to help out fellow viewers. New videos are released every week on my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's a huge help to me, and thank you for watching.